Hi, my name is Aaron Lazarus, and with Omid Rahimi, Ayana Martin, and Bradley Keegan, we created EncepHeal Therapeutics. Our team started out of the Neuro Startup Challenge, a graduate school competition designed to create a company around a specific NIH invention. The core team surrounded ourselves with scientific and entrepreneurial advisors to complete this challenge. While working on the business plan of our competition, Brad and I lost a close friend to a drug overdose. Addiction and mental health disorders do not just affect the individual, but also the friends and family that have continually watched their loved ones struggle. However, pharmaceutical companies as a whole have neglected this space for years, and we needed to create a company to best get next-generation neurotherapeutics into the hands of people that need them. The problem is that drug development is a long and arduous process. It takes 8 to 15 years to develop a drug, and it costs an average of $2.6 billion. A new drug at the discovery phase only has a 10% chance of becoming approved. In the past few years, pharmaceutical companies have realized that they can mitigate their risks by moving away from this traditional process and focusing on the later stages of development and commercialization, while building upon their portfolios through licenses and acquisitions. This shift, however, has created a development gap between the lab bench at the discovery phase and those later stage clinical trials. New and innovative mental health and substance abuse treatment options have been greatly affected by this development gap. So we created EncepHeal Therapeutics to bridge that gap by propelling innovative biomedical discoveries into next-generation neurotherapeutics. We will license in these discoveries into our company. We will then accelerate their early development and then out-license them to a strategic pharmaceutical partner, or by making our revenue through milestone and royalty payments. We will also do this by partnering and collaborating with a variety of organizations in this unique space. We are currently working with the National Institute on Drug Abuse, as well as the Wake Forest Center for the Neurobiology of Addiction Treatment. We also plan on working with foundations, treatment centers, and other pivotal organizations to help create an early development accelerated pipeline. For our first product, the NIH has granted us an exclusive license to investigate and test a library of modafinil analogs that have exhibited the potential to become the first FDA-approved treatments for cocaine and methamphetamine addictions. We have the opportunity to enter a $35 billion substance abuse market with a new first-in-class solution. By working with the key institutions listed previously, we have the chance to change the lives of millions of Americans suffering from psychostimulant addiction.